What's going on, guys? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to another weekend in the lawn. In today's video, I am going to be recapping my visit to the GIE Expo 2019. Now, this is actually my 4th year in a row attending this event, and from experience, I can confidently tell you guys that this is the best and biggest lawn care and landscape trade show in the industry, and because of that, I am really excited to continue going back year after year, meeting all the great people and testing out some of the latest and greatest equipment. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up right now and show you guys all the footage I got while I was down there. So I'm in my hotel room right now. I got in a little late. We actually have a dinner reservation for 7 o'clock. It's 7:15 now, so gotta get changed. Give me a second. Okay, ready to go.
Jake, is this on?
Yeah. Attention everybody, we got 3 more minutes till the spreader giveaway here at the indoor booth. Come over here, you get a chance to win a really good quality spreader. Again, booth number 3126.
1 more minute to get those entries in.
10 seconds. I was going to say.
10 seconds. 10 seconds, not 1 minute. 10 seconds now. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That wasn't right, was it?
So, thank you very much, everyone, for coming out. I just want to say, real quick, thank you so much to Spiker Spreaders. They stepped up to help support this trip for Ben coming over to America to tour around. But they've been a partner of mine for a long time. Love their spreaders. When I worked for True Green Chem Lawn, personally I used a Spiker spreader that was always my choice. They are an excellent company, and if you're looking for a high quality spreader, 100% endorsed by me and everything I do. So thank you so much, Spiker. Thank you guys for being a valued partner of the lawn care community, and now we are going to do this drawing. Ready, Ben?
Ready.
All the way from Australia, here he goes.
Let's go!
Rob, you ready?
Winner!
Heather Hamilton.
Heather
Hamilton.
Megaphone. Are you here?
I'm Bridget!
Hey!
Congratulations!
Get one with mine.
Okay, to take it.
Oh, I get to be there. Yeah, get in here. I get to say, yeah, you got a picture where all three. Mine, I guess. Got it? Any other ones? Anybody else need one? Just set those.
Noisemakers, if you run into trouble, you got that hazard, you got turn signals, all that good stuff. Similar to a golf cart, what you're going to do is punt that down real hard, that middle one. It's going to release the brake, and then you're going to hit your battery pedal, not your gas pedal, your battery pedal.
Okay.
And then we'll put you into forward, and you are good to go. You got a horn too if you need it.
Okay, cool.
It's not every day you get to have Jake the lawn kid drive you around.
Gotta learn somehow, right?
That's right. This thing is quiet.
Showtime! Showtime!
It's showtime!
I'm just gonna do JC's lawn kick.
Alright, now are we ready? Oh,
We got two more here.
okay. If you don't win this time, we got another drawing later, so you can still win.
Christian, we're tight on time. You better get that in. By the way, how you doing, brother? I haven't seen you in a while.
All right, cool. All right.
So the winner of
the 2019 GIE Expo spiker spreader is going to be... Put that back in there, my bad. Alright, let's make this quick. I'm grabbing one from the top. Alright, the winner of the spiker spreader is... How do I pronounce that? Andy O'Connor, you are the winner of the spreader. Congratulations, Andy.
Good job, Andy.
That's Andy?
No.
Oh.